Hey guys, welcome to another SaaS landing page teardown. Today we have CSS Pro, which is basically a tool that you can use within your browser to make changes to your website. And it's much more advanced than other tools. So you can add like gradients, you can change the images, you can change font sizes, all these things. So anyone in your team that wants to make a few edits to the website, or maybe look at a competitor website and kind of figure out what their styling looks like and how to kind of reproduce it, or maybe look at your website and seeing how a few headline changes would look and how it changed the look and feel and how clear it actually is. Stuff like that. This tool is like a really good tool for it. I think the page is pretty good. It's very visual. The hero is not that great, where they just say a reimagined dev tools for web design. That doesn't mean anything, right? And they also have this video, which is around 2 minutes long, for a tool that you can show in like a 10-second GIF or something. And that's it, right? So what I would do is I would cut out this hero and skip to this part. So what I would do is I would make this the headline, make quick changes to any website's design without writing CSS code. That's like way better than what they have. And then I would show a video like this, which is something that I always recommend, kind of showing how the product works, like showcasing the aha moments as soon as possible. There's literally them using it. They click on it, they play around with the button, they make it bigger, they change the padding, whatever it is, and then you can see how it works. Is you making any changes to a website without writing any code. It just feels like any visual editor, which is great, right? And then I would spend the rest of the website just figuring out all the use cases for it. So you can change the fonts, you can change the colors, you can add backgrounds, you can save this page, whatever it is. Take it, screenshot it, right? Like they're doing here. So you can change the colors, you can find the perfect fonts, you can actually move to code if you actually want to make code changes. You can basically do all these conversions in terms of the sizes for the typography, right? You can create all these new backgrounds that maybe for designers that don't like, that don't know how to code, this would be perfect for them to do. And all these little things, like it can add layers to it, which I assume is more for like the backgrounds and stuff, which they probably overdone this. I would show more use cases in terms of who is actually able to use this, right? For example, the before and after, which is way better. So can I take screenshots of all this stuff? Who in the team is able to use this? What are some use cases for it? Can I use this to quickly change a page of mine without having to redesign it and publish it right away? Can I export the code whenever I change it? Because if I have a custom page, I may have custom code, and then I need CSS Pro to generate it for me so I can manually upload it. Built for any website, that's a good objection for them to handle, so it's good. Also works offline, could have some more attention to it. And yes, I think the rest of the page is pretty good. They just need a few more use cases and who's using it and so on and so forth. For example, export elements to CodePen and save elements as files. They can probably export all the images like they're showing here, which is really useful for designers and some developers as well. So all these little things, they could have gone a little bit deeper, but nonetheless, this is a very good page, very visual. You're happy to scroll as long as you'd like because it's just something that is really cool to interact with. So I think this makes a lot of sense to make it this way. I think they still explain it well. The only problem is this is a tool where you pay on a monthly basis, not a one-time purchase type of thing. So if I don't understand how me and my team can use this on a recurring basis, then I'm not going to be able to justify this price of the $15 a month or $30 a month for my team to use it, right? Because I'm not seeing how my team could use it all the time. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this teardown. Let me know what you think about this page in the comments. Cheers.